Now, most people believe governments actually control the money, but the truth is they don't. Governments spend and borrow money, but it's the central banks that create and control the entire money supply. And it's those central banks that actually take their cues and go by the framework set by the BIS. Now, this is the exact reason why elections change little about monetary outcomes. They really don't change anything at all. Vote left, vote right, you still get deficits, you still get currency debasement, a widening wealth gap. See, you can replace leaders, but the underlying structure remains untouched. Because at the end of the day, it's about who controls the money supply, okay? Not who says something cute on TV. Now, the same handful of institutions coordinated through Basel are the same ones that basically continue to steer the entire global economy. So regardless of who's in office, it all comes down to Basel, Switzerland, the BIS. And that's not democracy, even though they want us to think it is. That's hierarchy.